Tungkol po kay General Torre, ano po yung posisyon na sinasabing pwedeng ialok ng Pangulo kay General Torre?
Hindi pa po natin maisisiwalat ang detalye patungkol po dito. Pero confirm po na may inaalok pong posisyon.
But may we know the reason or what convinced the President to relieve General Torre as PNP Chief? We all know na nagkaroon po sila ng issues between NAPOLCOM and General Torre. But what really convinced the President to remove him?
Maliwanag lang po siguro ang pagkakasabi ni Secretary John Vic Rimulya kahapon at mayroon mga issues na hindi na pagkasunduan at we just have to respect the wisdom of the President on this matter.
Sorry, just one quick follow-up po. Pero ganun po ba katindi yung naging issue? Because despite the things that were accomplished by General Torre, he led the arrest of former President Duterte, kay Pastor Quiboloy, and this messy transition could have been prevented if the position was announced first, the new position was announced first before he was relieved. So, what really happened?
Huwag naman natin masabi nagkaroon ng messy transition because nagkausap naman po sila at alam po natin na naiintindihan ni General Torre kung ano yung naganap at nirerespeto rin po niya kung ano po yung naging desisyon ng Pangulo.